Are you tired of manual hunting for YouTube leads? What if I told you that in just a few clicks, you could get a high list of high potential YouTube creators ready for your outreach and follow up? Today I am showing you my YouTube lead generation system, basic version, and that basic version can generate you high level of qualified YouTube leads. So let's see how that works in my system. Hello, my name is Onkar, you can call me OK, and this is YouTube lead generation Beam system. So this is my system. The system have only 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8 nodes. So it is very quality giving and much simpler version. So you can see basically this is the scheduled node, and this is AI agent, this is set node, this is HTTP request, and YouTube API node and Google Sheet. Basically that's very basic demo, but it can give very rich leads. Based on filters we apply, the quality and conditions we filter out the leads from. So the first node is scheduled node. Scheduled trigger is using some cron expression or even days and minutes. We can schedule it on that basis. It's very easy to use and everyone knows how to use scheduled trigger. AI agent. I have prompted this AI agent to give keyword each time when the workflow is executed. The keyword is newly generated and created from AI agent, so that gives each time new keyword for targeting different types of leads from different countries throughout the globe. Then the set node is setting the keyword in further HTTP request of our YouTube API, and we set the keyword here, and when I execute this node we get leads 50 items unfiltered, but we are going to filter them throughout this process of code and if node. So the code node is filtering those 50 items into clean data structure for getting conditioned further in if node. Before if node we basically get more details regarding the channel statistics, subscriber counts, view counts of the channel, view counts of that particular video we want from that channel, and branding settings is basically the name and description of the channel. Basically it is about section in the YouTube, so that's the branding settings. Then if node where we condition and qualify our leads. I have taken 5,000 subscribers to 50,000 subscribers, not 50,000, it is 5 lakh subscribers. Those channels are filtered as our leads and qualified into our Google Sheet. So that's very necessary step to do here. And then the Google Sheet node is very easy to use. Just we have to configure with our API credentials. For that I would make a different video on that, because some Google credentials and API web clients, those things are bit complex, so I would make detailed videos on that in further upcoming videos on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Then I have configured with these credentials and then append and update row. That's what we want to do for collecting leads. I have collected leads using channel title, channel link, subscribers and country. Those details we need for our leads to get enriched. Then we further can qualify on contact. We can enrich their contact emails. We can also filter out which country wise we can qualify leads. We can also qualify using their view counts. We can also make more stricter for subscribers counts. So those are things we can definitely do here in if node. And if we execute the Google Sheet node here. Easily we get each time the ratio of quality lead depends on only the keyword. Keyword is specified, and if targeted wellly, then definitely we get 20 to 25% of the 50 items. That's a very good ratio for getting good leads, qualified leads, and enriched leads with just one click on YouTube. So that's what my system does for you. My system YouTube Beam lead generation is basically one time unlimited leads giver. So if you just schedule it on the your expected time, so it would definitely work like that. So that was all about my YouTube Beam lead generation system. If you want a detailed video on that, I would make detailed video on each node, how I have configured, what are the problems, how we can handle that, what are errors, and what the more specified or creative things we can do to get more qualified leads and to sell this system to higher premium clients. So for that, comment me below and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.